So, welcome back, I guess, to, what is it? Erosion review? Yeah. These are the magnetics that I was talking about in the first video. If you didn't see the first video, I've grabbed some gravels, sands off of the beach of the Ohio, west of Covington, Kentucky, and the initial image shows the magnetics. Now we're looking at the spheroid ones, or the ones that seemed heavier or looked like they could be from welding or otherwise weathered out little bits of iron or rust that have fallen off things. So, and that 1 in a billionth chance that you manage to find a little tiny piece of meteorite on a beach of a river. Water is not an iron meteorite's friend. So, some chance that you could find one, but mostly not. And these things are all really, 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 really small. Incredibly small. You need to figure out how to get a measurement on them. And we are looking at them at an iPhone screen here shortly. So, on an iPhone screen. So we'll see the pixels, individual pixels that the microscope, the video microscope's picking up. So yeah, I'm just trying different ways to light this here. Struggling to get the system itself to do what I want it to do. I'm really fascinated with the object on the left there. That it's round-ish. It looks like an acorn because it's got that like light coloration in the upper right of it. We'll see it again and again as I shake this material around. So, I'm sorry being stared at by the Chihuahua, who is not interested in rocks, metallic or not, magnetic or not, doesn't care. So, but yeah, so I'm not sure why. I must have just held the hammer down on this particular image because it's shot at like 100 times. Won't let me accelerate. So my guess is this stuff's like welding spall. It's on the Ohio River. This kind of stuff is lightweight. I mean, it's sand. It's in the sand. So it definitely can just kind of move down the river away from where the welding took place. Now we're moving around again. Yay. I think, yeah. All right, we're seeking the iPhone. That's the surface of the microphone stand. Here comes the iPhone, but it's going to be out of focus, so we'll have to adjust that. This is super annoying. Who would ever want to watch this? But these things are on the shore. And what are they? So yeah, so that's where I'm saying you can see the pixel density of the iPhone is still pretty intense, but you're starting to see the individual little colors, I think, there. I don't know, through the plastic container these things are sitting in. That one there seems like it's got like a little divot in it. Some of them have little holes. Gotta be a better way to shoot these. Digital zooms are bullcrap. I just to physically get my microscope closer to them and then focus. So they have to come out of this container, but they're very small. So I'm going to find out what to put them into. Not sure what that's going to be yet. That's the acorn again, like I said. This iPhone stuff was kind of the last thing I shot, so hopefully this too long recording of my, as I had said, kind of globular or spheroid-ish metallics that were magnetic, that I picked up out of the beach sand on the Ohio-Kentucky side, west of Covington, down Route 8. Why am I looking at these things? For my my little series I'm thinking about doing, which erosion review. My name is Chas Schaffner. I'm a Cincinnati area artist who is interested in sculpture, video, paleontology, geology, biology, all of it. That's the source pile. This stuff's all super, super small, like it's fitting in a Pringles lid. Thanks for watching.